Shiksha Coaching and Commerce classes. Let us continue with our English lecture. Today we are going to do 1.2 unit. Last time we had done poem. Now today we are doing a lesson. Just refer to your textbook. Please keep your textbooks ready. Page number 6. It's a synopsis. The Swiss Family Robinson. Let us see what the story tells us. Okay. In this story, we are going to learn something about self-reliance, आप पे independent होना, determination. Determination is a firm determination, एक हिम्मत, love for family, cooperation, use of natural resources. Okay, let us see what the story is. Story is little bit fictitious. Okay, fictitious मतलब थोड़ा imagination है. कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो खाली imagine कर सकते हैं. It's not fact, it's not reality, but same time the story gives us something good things. Okay, all these values it shows, and this story teaches us something कि किस तरह से geometry सीखा उन्होंने, किस तरीके से numbers सीखे. तो इस तरीके से ये family ने किस तरीके से अपनी life को survive करने के लिए, एक desert पे life survive करने के लिए अपने आप को independent कैसे बनाया. Okay, so just refer to page 6. A synopsis. The Swiss Family Robinson. I'm starting the lesson. You have to always keep your textbooks ready and your pencils ready to underline the words. The Swiss Family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. Now this is a story where some films are made on this. कुछ फिक्शंस होते हैं, मूवीज होती है, फिक्शन मूवीज, कुछ ग्राफिक्स होते हैं, कुछ कार्टून्स होते हैं, तो इसके ऊपर भी बनाया गया है. The novel written by the Swiss clergyman Johann David Weiss is not just an adventure. It aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance, underline करो टेक्स्ट बुक में, determination, love for your family, cooperation, किस तरीके से हम यूनिटी में होके एक दूसरे की मदद करना, and prudent of use of natural resources. What is natural resources? Natural resources are the things which are in the nature and what we use. हम how we use the natural resources. हम nature जैसे कि rain है और rain को हम किस तरीके से use करते हैं for the fields and all. तो land है, land को हम किस तरीके से use करते हैं. तो these are all natural resources. How a human being, how a person uses for its own comfort. It also has a good lesson relevant in natural science. Good husbandry. Good husbandry is like a livestock, animal rearing, okay, animals, and even mathematics. This lesson is fiction, but some mathematics also it teaches. Some elements of the novel do stretch reality to a certain extent, but we must consider that it is a work of fiction. कुछ चीजें fiction है. Fiction मतलब real नहीं होती है, कुछ imaginative होती है, and not a fact file. और ये fact नहीं है. It's just a story where it teaches some values. बहुत ही पुरानी स्टोरी है. Given below is a synopsis and outline of its basic story. Now let us start with the story. William, Elizabeth, and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. Now this family, William was husband, Elizabeth was wife, and they had their children, son with them, and they were traveling on the ship. And when they were traveling on the ship, there was a great storm. जब वो शिप पे ट्रैवल करने लगे थे तभी बहुत बड़ी आंधी आ गई थी, तूफान आ गया था, पानी में बहुत ही बड़ा स्टॉर्म आ गया था. The other passengers evacuated मतलब empty without them. Now what had happened कि जब ये स्टॉर्म आने के बाद जो शिप थोड़ा सा सिंकिंग टाइप हो रही थी, couldn't go ahead, तभी बहुत सारे उसके passengers, so many passengers had evacuated, मतलब they had just moved out and they have saved their life, and this family was left in the ship. Only this family was left. William and his family included the young children Fritz, underline करो, Ernest, Jack and Franz. These all 4 sons were left for survive alone. Now these people, this husband and wife and 4 sons, they were only the family was at the ship and others had evacuated. They weathered the great storm waiting in the ship's hold. वो वहीं पे ship में ही छुपे रहे. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert island. And within some time, night had gone, they fought with that storm, and morning when they saw, the ship had just gone to a desert. एक desert के पास जाके वो ship रुक गई थी और वो family वो ship में थी. The next morning they decided to get to the island they could see beyond the reef. बहुत सारे sand, pebbles, stones होते हैं, वहाँ पे जाके वो ship रुक गई थी. With much effort, they constructed a vessel out of tubs. Vessel, here vessel means the ship. Ship का देखो ऐसे shape होता है ना, तो वो रहने की जगह जैसी बन जाती है, तो वो ट्यूब जैसा बन जाता है. तो जहाँ पे अभी उनके पास कुछ नहीं था, they did not have anything, so they started using these things for their survival. After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry. And now ship, everything, so many things were there. तो वो सब चीजें, जितनी चीजें शिप में थी, वो पूरा लेके अभी डेजर्ट पे उतरने लगे. They rowed towards the island. 2 dogs from the ship named Turk and Juno swam beside them. और उनके साथ में 2 dogs भी थे. The ship's cargo of livestock. शिप कार्गो लाइवस्टॉक मतलब नाउ देयर इज अ बिग शिप और उसके साथ में पे छोटे-छोटे शिप्स होते हैं जिसमें लाइवस्टॉक मतलब एनिमल्स वगैरह जाते हैं. गन्स एंड पाउडर, कार्पेंट्री टूल्स मतलब बहुत सारा जो कारपेंटर करने का जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं वो सब चीजें भी थी उसमें. बुक्स, डिसेंबल पिनास मतलब छोटी-छोटी शिप्स होती है, वो बड़ी शिप से कनेक्टेड होती है. एंड प्रोविजंस हैड आल्सो सर्वाइव्ड. सो नाउ व्हाट हैड हैपेंड, they were using all these things for their survival. Over the next few days, थोड़े दिन बीत चुके थे. William, father, attached the floatable old kegs to one another and built a bow and curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the lands. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass they cut and spread to serve as their beds. They came to a grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like goats on it. Now what had happened? Now these people, now they wanted to sleep. अभी कुछ दिन के बाद what they did? They just made a floor and from around जो भी grass, हल्का सा जो सॉफ्ट ग्रास था वो लाके उन्होंने अपने फ्लोर पे डाल दिया एक बेड बनाने के लिए. एक सॉफ्ट बेड, जैसे हमारा मैट्रेस कैसे होता है सॉफ्ट, वैसे उन्होंने ग्रास वगैरह लाके पूरा एक बेड जैसा बना दिया. टेंट के टाइप एक टेंट जैसा बना दिया अपने आप को रहने के लिए पूरा, और उसके अंदर सब चीजें ग्रास जैसी डाल के वो एक सॉफ्ट बेड टाइप बना दिया. एंड दे सॉ द ग्रूव ऑफ ट्रीज, मतलब बहुत सारे ट्रीज उन्होंने देखे. एंड दे सॉ द ट्रंक मतलब उसका जो ट्री होता है उसका जो ट्रंक होता है वो एकदम ब्रेथ में और एकदम चौड़ा रहता है. द फादर टोल्ड फ्रीज दैट गोड्स वुड मेक एक्सीलेंट बॉल्स एंड स्पून्स एंड दे कट देम इनटू वेरियस यूटेंसिल्स. ना उसके ब्रांचेस थे, बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्रांचेस, खंडे मतलब ब्रांचेस थे ट्रीज के. और फादर ने क्या, दे हैड सीन अ ग्रूव ऑफ ट्रीज, बहुत सारे ट्रीज देखे उन्होंने, और फादर ने क्या सोचा कि ये जो ट्रीज है, ओके, ये जो ट्रीज है हम लोग उसके यूटेंसिल्स मतलब बर्तन बना सकते हैं, वुडन के जो कप्स होते हैं, स्पून्स होते हैं, ये सब हम बना के यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ आल्सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन द मार्केट, सो मेनी वुडन कर्व्ड स्पून्स कम्स, they use it, okay. So now they don't have any option because they had come to the desert, so they were using this natural resources. After some days, Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. Now after a few days, what Elizabeth said, Elizabeth is a mother now, and she said that we will move somewhere else, कुछ अच्छी जगह पे हम अभी घर बनाएंगे. Their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. Now wherever they had put the tent, it was very dry and hot. बहुत ही गर्मी वगैरह थी उधर, और इसके लिए they were feeling uncomfortable, so they wanted to just move somewhere else. If they built a house up in one of the large trees, they would be safe from jackals. Now what they were thinking कि बहुत बड़े ट्रीज होते हैं उस वक्त, तो वो ट्रीज में अगर वो अपना एक ट्री हाउस टाइप बना देंगे ना, वो एट दैट टाइम वी नो कि ट्री पे रहते थे इंसान, तो इफ दे मेक अ tree as a house, they will be very safe from the jackals. Jackals is the animals which are in the forest. Like this is the family which was traveling on the ship, and there was storm. They had come and stuck up at one place, and they reached one desert, and now they were alone. The family was alone there. They did not have any option to go, so there was no any way to go. So what they did, they tried to stay at that place. So what they started using all the natural resources, like whatever the small boats were there, the trees were there, they started using it. Natural resources they started using. First what they did, they made a tent. They made a tent and they removed the grass and they put the grass as their bed, and they stayed for a few days over there. And then they saw the branches of the tree and all, and they made utensils, spoons and all for their survival, for their use. They have used those things and they started living. And further, after a few days, Elizabeth felt that they have to move to some safer place, and they built a tree house. They went to a big trunk of the tree they saw, and they started measuring the branches and all. They made a very beautiful tree house and they settled over there. After few they wanted to keep away from the wild animals, so they made a tree house. After few days, they felt that they should go into a cave, so they wanted more comfortable place to stay. And same time, Elizabeth, the mother, was growing its own garden with corns and other vegetables. So the family was very happily staying over there by using the natural resources, but with the cooperation of each and every member of the family. Then what they did, they just moved to the cave. A very big rock they found, and they curved it, and they curved it into a very beautiful house. Like they made 4 rooms, they made some ventilation where the sunlight can come inside. So in this way, there was a fireplace also, and in this way they started living their lives. Let us proceed the story. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. Now, cave you have seen. Cave is little bit like covered, everything is covered. So all the full light will not come, sunlight will not come inside. तो क्या हो रहा था कि बहुत ही कम लाइट आ रही थी. Only those ventilation में जो थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे उन लोगों ने क्रॉस जो बनाए थे, जो होल्स वगैरह करके, वहीं से सिर्फ थोड़ा सा सनलाइट आ रही थी और उतना ही उजाला मिल रहा था. They were getting only that sunlight, and it was like very very oppressive light. मतलब थोड़ा डिम रहने लगा था, और रात में तो और डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था उनके लिए. To remedy this, father and Jack rigged up a new light. They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. Now they had one lamp which they had found on the ship. Now for a solution, as a remedy, now there was no sunlight, and in the evening every person has to have a light, and within darkness we cannot do our activities. So what they did, they just put a pole and just hang the lamp which they had got it from the ship. अभी उन्होंने लैंप लगाया था और अभी पूरा लाइटिंग हो रही थी. One day they found that one of the family's huts had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. Trampled मतलब खुदलना. तो एक दिन उनको पता चला कि उनके बाजू में ही कुछ जगहों पे कुछ हट्स है. हट्स मतलब छोटे छोटे घर, वो पूरे डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुके हैं. There were huge footmarks everywhere. Father saw massive damage to trees as well as many huge footprints, which were otherwise belonged to an elephant herd. Now they felt that William came to know that some footprints were there. Footprints मतलब कोई आके जाता है तो उसके कुछ पैर के निशान रह जाते हैं, तो वो पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ था. ट्रीज वगैरह डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए थे. तो इसके लिए पता चला कि यहाँ पे हर्ड ऑफ एलिफेंट्स का झुंड आया था और वो पूरा क्रैपल्ड करके गया था, पूरा डिस्ट्रॉय करके गया था. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals. Now, it was like a fear. अभी डर था family को कि कहीं harm ना हो जाए. So now they were starting securing their life. कुछ और safety measures अपना कर रहे थे ताकि वो wild animals से बच सके. They also finalized their ideas about the new residence. Now they wanted to finalize now new residence. New residence मतलब नया घर. अभी उनको कुछ नई जगह जाना था. First they made a tent with grass and all. Then they made a tree house. They stayed little for time for there. Then they felt that they should go in a little bigger house like a cave. They carved a cave to live. Now they are thinking that they should move to some other residence. Rather than building a house on slits which the elephants could knock down easily. Slits मतलब ऐसे स्टिक्स पे, ओके, पूरे रॉड्स होते हैं और रॉड्स के ऊपर ये फ्लड्स वगैरह को बचाने के लिए तभी ये घर बनाए जाते हैं, रॉड्स होते हैं और वो रॉड्स के ऊपर ये घर बनाया जाता है। तो वो तो डिस्ट्रॉय भी हो सकते हैं। इफ एलिफेंट्स कम दे कैन डिस्ट्रॉय दिस हट्स इजीली, सो दे डिड नॉट वांटेड दैट। They would use 4 strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus, they built another safe home. अभी बहुत अच्छा घर बना रहे थे। तो what they did, they just went for the 4 strong trees, बहुत ही बड़े huge trees, very strong trees वो देखे, and they wanted it as like a foundation. आज भी हम बिल्डिंग्स बांधते हैं तो हम 4 पिलर्स देखते हैं, उसी से लिया हुआ है। तो 4 पिलर्स, आज भी 4 पिलर्स पे बिल्डिंग्स बनती है। तो वैसे ही उस वक्त उन्होंने स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रीज लिए थे जो 4 पिलर्स से ही वॉल को अटैचमेंट मिलता है। आज भी हम देखते हैं कि 1 2 3 4 दीज आर द 4 पिलर्स वेयर वी कैन सेट अप हाउस। सो हियर आल्सो दे फाउंड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रीज फॉर द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द जड़। जो फाउंडेशन जो होती है वो अच्छे से स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए। तो अब उन्होंने 4 ट्रीज approximately of same size and measurement मतलब सेम होना चाहिए मेजरमेंट, और वो सेम मेजरमेंट से तो शेप आएगा ना। तो ये सेम मेजरमेंट से उन्होंने एक नया घर बनाया, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउस, एंड दैट वाज अ वेरी सेफ हाउस। आज भी हम ऐसे ही घरों में देखते हैं ना, सेफ। 10 years passed, 10 साल हो गए थे वहां पे रहते, and the young boys were now young man. They were very small children at that time. Now they had grown up into a young man, and their parents were very proud. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था वहाँ पे, और इसी तरीके से उनका वर्क उनको वहाँ पे अच्छा लग रहा था। And they had made self reliance, अपने आप को self reliance कर चुके थे, अपने आप में इंडिपेंडेंट हो चुके थे। They called the island New Switzerland. वो आइलैंड को न्यू स्विट्जरलैंड वो बुलाने लगे। Many adventures occurred over the years. बहुत सालों में नई चीजें, कुछ नए एडवेंचर्स होने लगी, एंड द फैमिली एंजॉयड इट। द फैमिली वाज वेरी हैप्पी विद ईच अदर। उनको कभी ऐसा लगा नहीं कि हम डेजर्ट में हैं, बट दे सर्वाइव्ड देयर। ऑन द शोर ऑफ अनदर आइलैंड, कुछ दूसरे आइलैंड के पार, फ्रिट्ज हैड नॉक्ड डाउन एन albatross, a bird which was threatening to attack him, and found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. एक दिन फ्रिट्ज इज द सन ऑफ विलियम, और उसने एक बर्ड को नॉक किया था, मार दिया था। तो वो बर्ड आके नीचे गिर गई थी, और वो गिरने से क्या होता कि उसने ये देखा कि a rag was tied at his leg, मतलब रैग मतलब एक चिंदी जो एक नोट था और उसके पैर को बांधा हुआ था। On the rag was a message, कुछ मैसेज था उसमें, कुछ लिखा हुआ था, किसी ने भेजा हुआ था। Was an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. किसी एक फीमेल को वहां पे कैद करके रखा हुआ था, वहां पे फंस गई थी फीमेल। Fritz had no idea how old the message was, but he did not know कि ये कितना पुराना मैसेज है, पता नहीं कब का मैसेज है, but it happened to see now. His father suggested that smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano. And now you know volcano. Volcano is lava. Okay, lava पड़ने के बाद जो एक नया माउंटेन वगैरह बनता है, वहां से था वो। Okay, एक स्मोकिंग मतलब पूरा स्मोक आना, और वो रॉक है। Since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. Now there were no volcanoes. वहाँ पे तो पूरा डेजर्ट था, उधर कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था। तो ये अंदाजा लगा रहे थे कि ये बर्ड बहुत ही hundreds of miles, मतलब बहुत दूर से वो यहाँ पे फ्लाई होके आई हुई है। However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help, and Fritz, the son, he was feeling that somebody is asking for help, somebody needs help. उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि किसी ने तो इसको ये नोट भेजा है ताकि उसको रेस्क्यू करे, उसको रिलीज करे, उसको बचाए। तो he was feeling that somebody needs help and he should help. And he was determined to do his best to find the sender, and he was trying to find the sender. जिसने भी भेजा है वो कोशिश कर रहा था कि वो उसको पता करे कि who that person was. Before returning home, he had written his own note on the rack, tied it to the albatross leg, and had watched the bird fly off. Then what he did, Fritz? What he did? He just removed that rag, and there was a note inside it. उसने वो नोट के ऊपर और एक अपना तरफ से नोट भेज लिखा, और वो वापस से वो बर्ड को टाई करके वापस से जो डायरेक्शन में आया वहां पे उसको भेज दिया। ओके, लिटिल बिट फिक्शन, एंड had watched the bird fly off, और वो बर्ड फ्लाई होके चली गई। द नोट टोल्ड whoever received it do not despair, और वो नोट में क्या था, कुछ लिखा हुआ था, और वो फ्रिज ने लिखा था कि जिसको भी ये मैसेज, जिसके पास भी ये बर्ड जाके मैसेज देगा, उसमें लिखा हुआ था डू नॉट डिस्पेयर, डू नॉट लूज होप, डू नॉट बी सैड, तुम्हारा रेस्क्यू होगा, तुमको हेल्प मिलेगी। दैट मीन्स डोंट बी सैड, कीप होप, हेल्प इज नियर, तुम्हारी मदद बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगी। दिस मैसेज वॉज रिटन बाय फ्रीज इन दैट रैंक। फ्रीज then successfully rescued the young woman, and वहाँ पे वो मैसेज आके एक यंग वुमन को मिली, और वो वुमन को उसने बहुत जल्दी से रेस्क्यू किया। रेस्क्यू मतलब उसको वहाँ से बचा लिया। जेनी मॉन्ट्रोस, the name of that woman. Though shy at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family. Now he rescued and she started living with this family. Okay, Robinson की family के साथ वो woman भी रहने लगी। One day they saw a ship which had laid anchor. और दूर से एक दिन उनको देखा कि कोई एक शिप आ रही है। वहाँ पे इतने सालों से कभी भी कोई भी पर्सन अपना एंकर इज अ बिग शिप, देखिए एंकर मतलब वो शिप का जो ऊपर का भाग होता है ना, यॉर्च एंड ऑल, वो दिख रहा था। ओके, एंकर उसका। तो आज तक इतने सालों में nothing could have seen, but that day they can see from far away a ship was arriving. An encampment had been set up for one of the small islands. After checking the people through their spyglass, now they could see telescope होता है ना, जो दूर की चीजें हम नजदीक से देख सकते हैं, स्पाईग्लास होता है वो। तो वहां से देखा तो कुछ एक छोटे से आइलैंड से कुछ लोग आ रहे थे उस शिप में। Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. They did not want the crew to think they were savages. They did the next day. Now they thought they were little bit fear like they did not wanted those people to know that they were savages. Savages मतलब कहीं से आके बसे हुए लोग हैं, कुछ अलग है और उनको पकड़ के ना ले जाए। Fritz's father met the captain and told him their own history as well as Jenny's. Now next day they met the captain of the ship, and the ship came towards them, and William met the captain and he narrated the full history. वो किस तरीके से शिप में फंस गए थे और किस तरह से they have spent so many years here. He narrated full story, and Jenny also. Jenny means how she was rescued by his son. To everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain's search. And सबको सरप्राइज हुआ था कि वो कैप्टन वो शिप में जेनी के फादर थे, and he was also in search of his daughter. तो वो उसके फादर थे जिसको फ्रिट्ज ने बचाया था। He believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. 3 साल हो गए थे, and he used to feel that कि his daughter is still alive. अभी भी वो जिंदा है, और उसके सर्च में वो वहां तक पहुंच गए थे। The captain had decided to attempt to find her. और उनकी कोशिश कामयाब हो गई थी। They could find their daughter. With a burst of celebration, now there was celebration. Now everybody was like very happy, and there was celebrations. The family, passengers and crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland. Now सब मिलके यहाँ पे पार्टी कर रहे थे, बहुत ही बड़ा celebration हो रहा था। Everyone was amazed by the prosperous and good health of the survivors. सब लोग जिंदा बचे थे, सब लोग survive मतलब जो जिंदा बचे थे, और सब लोग खुश हो रहे थे कि everybody had found their loved ones. As the day ended, the father realized that decision must be made about two who wanted to stay on this island or return with the ship. Now the ship had come. Now they had the way to go again to their own world. अपनी दुनिया में वापस आने का, अपने जगह पे जहाँ से आए थे वहाँ पे वापस आने का उनको मौका मिल रहा था. Now they were deciding, because so many years these people were staying. Now they were used to this place, desert, and they had survived so many years now. So they were deciding who will stay and who will go back with the ship. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. Elizabeth and William, husband wife, उन लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत किया था. They had made every possible way to stay there. Now they did not wish to go there, leave that place. वो desert छोड़ना नहीं चाहते थे, तो उनका wish clear था कि वो desert पे ही रहेंगे. They had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. अभी उनको they were very used to that life. उनकी वो जिंदगी बन चुकी थी. उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करके अपनी लाइफ को वहाँ पे सेटअप किया था, and they did not wanted to come back. Okay. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Now they wanted, they were Britishers, and Jenny, she was rescued and she was there with his family. Now she asked whether any person like William and Elizabeth was clear not coming. तो उनके 4 लड़के थे, तो उसमें से उसने पूछा कि कोई उसके साथ आ रहा है क्या. ना जेनी वाज, फादर हैड कम, तो जेनी हैड टू गो, तो उसके साथ में कोई अकम्पनी करेगा. शी वाज आस्किंग. Fritz was the first to respond, and Fritz, the person, the boy who had rescued Jenny, Jenny को जिसने बचाया था, उसने respond किया. He offered cheers for us who are going to Europe, and he said he's going to come. He is going to go with Jenny. Jack also decided to stay back. Jack, उनका दूसरा लड़का, वो भी मम्मी डैडी के साथ रहना चाहता था डेजर्ट में. Frank, the youngest boy, decided to join friends in living. और सबसे छोटा लड़का, वो अपने भाई के साथ जाना चाहता था वापस. Frank wanted a chance to receive an academic education. The youngest one, he wanted to take education, proper education. He did not wanted to stay in desert like his parents. He wanted to come out and live a practical life, and he wanted to acquire the education. So he wanted to come with his brother. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. Now these people, only one son was staying with William and Elizabeth, and other 2 were living with Jenny. And before leaving, he told his parents, Fritz, that he loved Jenny. He wishes to marry her. The father had kept a record of all the adventures they had on the island. Father ने हर adventures, सच्ची में adventures था. It was really adventurous life. बहुत ही कुछ नया create हुआ था, बहुत ही अलग life थी, बहुत ही कुछ किया था उन्होंने, everything. तो father ने बहुत ही वो adventures as a memories रखा हुआ था. He handed over to the journals to the captain to be published. और उन्होंने इतना सब लिखा था, जो भी उनकी जर्नी थी, जो एडवेंचरस था, वो पूरा जर्नल लिखा हुआ वो उन्होंने कैप्टन को दिया पब्लिश करने के लिए, जो आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं. Then the ship departed, और शिप वहाँ से चली गई. ये लोग and William, Elizabeth and one son, they stayed. This is a story about a synopsis. It's little bit practical about our life, about this values, self-reliance, determination, love for family, cooperation, use of natural resources, but it's a little bit fiction. Okay, so read the lesson. Hope you understood the lesson. You read the lesson twice and do the other activities. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Be safe.